For quick and easy access to SATA SSDs or HDDs to your laptop, MacBook, or workstation, StarTech.com offers 10 gigabit per second USB-C to SATA and USB-A to SATA external storage adapters. These ultra-portable, tool-free adapter cables are simple to use and allow for direct connection from SATA hard drives to your system with a single USB cable connection. Ideal for technicians who need quick access to 2.5-inch hard drive data for backups, data migration, or cloning. For easy setup, no drivers are required and our adapters are OS independent. They use UASP support for enhanced hard drive read and write speed performance with fast 10 gigabit per second transfer speeds for full performance on SATA 3 drives. They are USB powered and do not require any additional power source to power your 2.5-inch hard drives, keeping them lightweight and portable. In addition, StarTech.com carries 10 gigabit per second SATA to USB cable adapters that can be powered with the included AC adapter to support 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch hard drives. They have an integrated 1-meter cable for added reach, can connect to Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4 ports, and are backwards compatible to USB 3.0 at 5 gigabits per second and USB 2.0 at 480 megabits per second. All of our hard drive adapter cables support trim, pass smart information, have 4KN hard drive support, are hot swappable, and include activity LEDs. StarTech.com's USB to SATA hard drive adapters are backed by a 2-year warranty and have lifetime technical support.